Side punch. Back twist. Back and slap. Catch upper block. Then this is double middle punch. Front left front kick. Side kick. Cross kick. Turning side kick. Jumping side kick. 1000. அவ்வளவுதான். Lessons. Okay வா? Hey. Now sixth combination. 1. Lower punch. Back twist. Back slap. Half over stance catch upper block. Lengthy stance. Double middle punch. Front left front kick. Side kick cross side kick. Turning side kick. Jumping side kick. Up. Run right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.